morning junior school students, teachers, parents and carers. Welcome to our junior school virtual assembly. I would like to respectfully acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which this event is taking place. I would like to pay my respects to elders past, present and emerging. Please stand silently for our national anthem.
Australians, oh let us rejoice, for we are young and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil, our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains and let us sing, advance Australia fair. Beneath the radiant Southern Cross, we'll toil with hearts and hands to make this commonwealth of ours renowned of all the lands. For those who've come across the seas, we've boundless plains to share. With courage let us all combine to advance Australia fair. In joyful strains and let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Please repeat our college values after me. We show diligence. We show integrity. We show courage. And we show empathy. Please repeat our college rules after me. We are respectful. We are responsible. And we are safe. Please be seated.
I would like to share the following messages with students. Students in Year 3 to 12 are invited to triathlon training on Tuesdays during first lunch. Trainings is held after eating time on the Oval near the sports hall. Please welcome Chappie, Hannah and Jack to share some messages with you.
Good morning everyone, Chappie Hannah here, and I would like to introduce you to Jack, our Youth Support Coordinator.
Hey everyone, my name's Jack. I live in the Wellbeing Hub right next to Hannah, and it's good to be here.
We would like to let you know about Kindness Week that's happening next week. We believe that kindness is really important and being kind.
Yeah, so we'll be running some activities next week and we'll be having all of our art competition entries on display. Activities will be from Tuesday to Thursday up near the tuck shop, and there will also be on Thursday a free dress day.
And that's for youth homelessness. It's a $2 coin donation. Make sure your son's safe, closed-in shoes. If you have any questions, come see us at the Wellbeing Hub.
Yeah.
Thanks guys, hope to see you there.
I would like to invite Mrs. Wenburn to share our student recognition and reading certificates. Certificates will be given to your teachers to present to you.
Hello everyone, it gives me great pleasure today to be able to announce the people in the junior school who are receiving a certificate. Receiving a certificate for recognition this week are Milo. Milo is getting one for writing independently, sounding out his words and using his punctuation. Jasmine in prep is getting a certificate for her awesome work in identifying rhyming pairs. Hannah in Prep Orange is getting a certificate for her blossoming personality and being a kind and caring class member. Amity, also in Prep Orange, is getting a certificate for continually showing exceptional manners and persistence with her work. Jayla in Year 1 is getting a certificate for increased participation in classroom discussions. Also in Year 1, Audrey is getting a certificate for her diligence in developing her handwriting skills. Lincoln in Year 1 is getting a certificate for completing his first 100 sight words. Skylar in Year 1 is getting a certificate for always being cheerful and a caring friend. In Year 2, Kenta is getting a certificate for continuing to excel in mathematics. Also in Year 2, Jiho is getting a certificate for his great compound sentences about his falcon writing. Ariane is getting a certificate for increasing confidence in her classroom tasks. In Year 3, BJ, well done for staying on task, BJ. In Year 3, James is getting a certificate for a great start to Earnshaw and attempting to follow the class rules. Cooper, in Year 3, is getting a certificate for working hard to improve in all areas of his schoolwork. In Year 3, Lily's also getting a certificate, and hers is for always following school rules and being an amazing classmate. Cooper in Year 3B is getting a certificate for showing interest in improving his information report writing. Lily in 3B, always displaying our college values. In Year 4, Angatea is getting a certificate for working beyond expectations. Annabelle, you're getting a certificate for being a diligent worker and a responsible student. Patrick, being helpful to his teacher and always a friend in need. In Year 4B, Riley's getting a certificate for demonstrating persistence while writing. Alexander's getting a certificate for improved concentration in class and improved organisation. In Year 5, Amelie is getting a certificate for settling wonderfully into Year 5A. Keep up that great work. Lone is getting a certificate for consistently demonstrating respectful behaviour in the classroom and playground. Michelle in Year 5 is getting a certificate for the effort that is being put into handwriting. Samantha, you're getting a certificate in Year 5 for your wonderful effort in all tasks given. We're also congratulating Parker. Parker has 100 nights of home reading. So too does Ethan in Prep Green, Hannah in Prep Orange. Well done to you preppers for getting those 100 books read. And Ariana in Prep Orange, you've read 200 books. Well done. Good job, preps, for keeping that reading going. It gives me great pleasure to let you know that we have some winners in the Anzac Day postcard competition, a competition that's run every year by the Banyo RSL. The winners from our school this year are Iro from Prep, Cooper from Year 3, Hugo from Year 3, Imogen from Year 5, Jackson from Year 5, and Jackson from Year 6. All of our Earnshaw students are going to be invited to attend a morning tea at the Banyo RSL on Sunday the 16th of August. Well done, Earnshaw.
Our junior school Earnies for this week have been counted. This week's totals are Bradman on 112, O'Neill on 296, and Rafter on 339. Congratulations, Rafter. You earned the most points for your house this week.
I'd like to invite our junior sports captains to draw our Ernie winners for this week. Winners will each receive a voucher from the Tuck Shop.
This week O'Neill scored 296 Earnies, and the winner is Matt from Miss Crank's class.
Congratulations, Bradman. We have reached 112 Earnies, and now Talisa will be drawing the Ernie box. Well done, Piper.
Congratulations, Rafter. This week's total for Ernies is 339. This week's Ernie winner is Phoenix.
Thank you for viewing our junior school virtual assembly. Have a wonderful day and a safe weekend.